These are the ancient secrets that the Maya knew, and they would practice, or that many of their rituals, just before the moment of sunrise, and that first half an hour, it was very important to them. And this allowed these energies to start to enter the subtle spiritual body. We must also know some of the biggest spectacles, spiritual events that have taken place on the planet was really in Mexico. The ancient Maya used to practice really big rituals when, also in the evening, when the sun was setting. And in the west you had a red sun, and on the right, in the east, you had the red moon rising, a full moon. So they knew exactly what they were doing in the spiritual bodies, all like an onion wrapped around it. So then we have the chakras, these cosmic vortices that pull in this energy from the spirit realms, cosmic force. And this is really the secret to spiritual development. What is this energy? So we're talking about vitality globules.